Okay, hello Cuxton. Now, this really isn't the way we wanted to end the term. It's very, very strange doing this celebration assembly, knowing that pretty much most of our school are at home. So I hope you're well. I hope you're looking after yourself. I hope you're enjoying the home learning that's been set. It's disappointing for everyone, the staff, the pupils and the parents, that we're not all together as a community at this time. But I definitely wanted to do the last celebration assembly of the year because we've got some very important news to announce today. So we're going to start as we always do with the certificates. But today, because most of our children aren't in and won't be able to receive their certificate, I'm going to read the names out from a piece of paper. And we will ensure that you'll get the certificates at some point in September. So off to the early years, as we always do. So we've got a certificate here for Charlotte for always demonstrating independence and excellence in her work. A wonderful achievement. Well done, Charlotte. A big well done to Zane for always being such a helpful, happy and polite member of the class. Such a wonderful role model. Well done to Eva for fantastic attitude to learning and a lovely smile. And I saw Eva's beautiful smile last week. So she's always such a happy character. Well done, Eva. And well done to Bella for your all-round kindness, politeness, love of learning and happy smile you have. Lots of happy children in early years. Let's give the whole of early years a huge round of applause. Well done, Oak and Ash. Off to year one. So we have a certificate here for Amir for his excellence control when passing the ball to his partner, Paige and Rosie, for working collaboratively with their home learning. So well done to Amir, Paige and Rosie. Well done. Well done to Jessie Kay for her excellent writing on Thursday morning. She was really using her sounds and has some great ideas for her good character. And also for the whole of Elm class for showing such care for their friends on Thursday. They really showed the community value by making sure everyone was okay and helping each other with their books and belongings. I know it was quite busy on Thursday when year one had to go home. So well done to the whole of Elm class for being incredibly helpful. So let's give Amir, Paige, Rosie, Jessie and Elm class a huge round of applause. Well done. Off to year two now. We have a certificate here for Demi for showing resilience in her history learning. And well done to Arthur L for showing adventure by giving thoughtful and interesting ideas in discussions. Well done, Arthur. Congratulations to Jessica for always upholding the school value of community by helping to keep her classroom tidy. So that's Jessica in Beach. And a big well done to Nancy for her sense of adventure, even with a broken foot. Goodness me, Nancy, be careful. Let's give you two a huge round of applause. Miss Taylor would also like me to mention Amelia for earning her pen licence. Congratulations, Amelia. That's wonderful news. Okay, we're off to year three now. So we have a certificate here for Katie and Emily R for excellence in their home learning. And a certificate for Charlotte P for resilience and completing her home learning when poorly. Oh, wow, Charlotte. Goodness me, I hope you're okay. A big well done to Tate for his amazing capacity home learning. I know Mrs. Balestrini was very impressed. And well done to Eliza for her brilliant character description from the Iron Man. Big well done to Eliza. Let's give year three a huge round of applause. Well done, year three. Off to year four. So we have a certificate here for Eldon for his enthusiasm and work ethic this week. And congratulations to Freddie for displaying both excellence and resilient attitude during art lessons. Well done, Freddie. Keep it up. And Miss Sawney would like me to recognise the whole of Maple class for being such a pleasure to teach this year. Holly class, we have Riley for taking the time to help others in maths. And we have Tommy for growing in confidence and putting his hand up to answer questions. Well done, Tommy, and well done, Riley. Let's give year four a huge round of applause. Well done, year four. Off to year five. So we have a certificate here for Ollie for embedding his learning by teaching Mum all about figurative language. I bet Mum really enjoyed that lesson. Ollie, clearly a teacher in the making. Well done to Poppy H for being resilient with her learning and finding new ways of working when finding things more challenging. And we know resilience is one of our school values. It's really pleasing to hear that Poppy's been using resilience. We've got a big well done for Logan for some amazing home learning and fantastic homework project. And Miss Miller has sent me the video, which will be shared with you all. Well done to Ella for putting in a great deal of effort in her home learning. And I know how hard Year 5 worked the whole of last week, and we're very much looking forward to having you back tomorrow. Let's give Year 5 a huge round of applause. And finally, Year 6. Year 6, where do we start? I am so incredibly proud of you, and I know Mrs. Carmen and Mr. Brett are as well. I'm so pleased that you got to have your fun week and you demonstrated all of our school values last week. The community spirit, the way in your fun evening on Thursday night, you could tell you were a whole year group and you were really supporting each other. Adventure, when you went to Chesington, lots of you really pushed yourself and went outside your comfort zone and demonstrated our adventure value. And the same with resilience when you were up at Chesington as well. And gravity, lots of you kept trying and trying again. I know you were really quite impressed with Mr. Brett's bouncing and his backflips and so on. And finally, excellence at all times last week, Year 6, you demonstrated excellence in your behaviour. And I know how proud Mrs. Carmen, Mrs. Riggle and Mr. Brett were of you the whole week. Really sorry, Year 6, it's had to end this way. But hopefully we'll get together in September when we can organise some kind of fun day again. And also we'll see you on Friday for your leavers assembly. We're just trying to sort out what it's going to look like exactly. But we will do something, so don't worry. So let's give the whole of Year 6 a huge round of applause. So we have some home reads. So a big well done to Shakemi, who's reached 100 home reads. Finley Jasper, who's reached 100. Roxanne in the early years. Sebastian, Bodie, Malachi and Lexi, who have all reached 100 home reads. Wow, that's such an amazing achievement. And I'm going to be quite sad at the end of this week when I need to take my tree down, ready for the autumn and ready for next year to see who can achieve 100 home reads. And finally, we have got some bronze certificates. So well done to Roxanne in early years, George, SH, Harry, S, Lewis Sana and Archie. So big well done. All those children were in Oak class. Very, very impressive. Now, before we go on to Cuxton's Got Talent, I have got a thank you to say. So there's a gentleman in the village called John Bogg, and he is actually Mrs. Barber's dad, and he donated some recorders and some fantastic percussion instruments to our school. So I would like to say a big thank you to John. And many years ago, John used to come in and teach the recorder lessons here at Cuxton. So some of you may know him. But a big thank you to John for donating all the wonderful instruments. We can't wait to use them. Now, Cuxton's Got Talent, what a treat. And if you haven't yet watched it, children, please do go on our website under year group pages and assemblies. And if you put about an hour aside, you can sit and watch all the performances across the school. I had the pleasure when I was at home on Friday of sitting down on my sofa and watching it with my little boy, and he thoroughly enjoyed himself. So I have got the winners. So the winner in early years and key stage 1 was, and these were all voted for by the teachers, teaching assistants, midday meal supervisors, office staff, all the staff across the school. So the winner in early years and key stage 1 was, drum roll, stop, Ash Class Beatboxing. Well done, Ash Class Beatboxing. So proud of you. Well done. And the winner in year 3 and 4 for his animation, drum roll, stop, was Finn. Well done, Finn. And that was actually my son's favourite one. He's very into his monsters at the moment and computers and so on. And when he saw Finn's animation, his face lit up. And I was particularly impressed with Finn for originality. So thank you. And the winner in upper key stage 2, so year 5 and 6, drum roll, stop, for her amazing horse riding was Daisy L. Well done, Daisy. You kept that quiet. I didn't realise you could horse ride to that level. Quite phenomenal. So I can't wait for Cuxland's Got Talent round 6 next year. And a big thank you to Mrs. Ballestrini and Miss Sayer for all their hard work in putting it together. Really, really appreciated. So children, I do hope you're well at home. Keep safe, keep smiling. We're nearly there. 4 more days to the summer holiday, not long to go at all. And I'll speak to you soon. Bye.